I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Chickasha, Oklahoma, to hopefully see the world's largest leg lamp. About 3 weeks ago, Chickasha put up a inflatable leg lamp like the one from A Christmas Story on the end of one of their main streets here in town that draw people in for their festival lights and everything. And so I've come out to here to see it. They didn't know it at the time when they had decided to do it, but the gentleman who actually created the leg lamp was from Chickasha. He died earlier in January of 2020. But it's kind of neat that the town he's from, they're going to put up a leg lamp. Well, I've come to the end of the street, and I have to admit, I'm a little disappointed because, well, I'll just let you see it for yourself. The leg lamp is not currently up. The box is there that it rested on, but the lamp itself is not here. Fragile. Oh yeah, that's a little disappointing. I was really hoping to see the world's largest leg lamp, even though it was the inflatable one. But it's not here. Don't know what happened. It's the corner of Chickasha Avenue and 1st Street that they are hoping to build a permanent leg lamp on display. But that'll be a few years down the way yet. Alright, I did ask someone. I mean, it is up for the festival lights, but that's not until the evening. So, and that's another reason, I guess. So, I don't know. It is what it is. Well, although the lamp wasn't here, this has been another adventure in TV land. At least we tried. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel and ring that bell. Subscribe to my channel for more content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.